Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
Okay, so this time we're going to unbox this cool Space Sheriff Shaider figure from Bandai. This is the GD-96. So I believe they got lots of diecast going on also here. So you can see there's like of course the Chogokin logo here. Look at that, that's really cool. So if you're really into what they call it, if you're really into Shaider before, if you're born somewhere in 80s or 90s, you probably know this guy, Space Sheriff Shaider, and of course you know Annie, right? So okay, so it still looks pretty karambit time. So this is really pretty old, so let's be careful. Plastic probably easy to break, but still unopened that makes it really cool. Let's open it now. Okay, we got some looks like some manual here. Okay, so I think this is something like we need to complete, because I believe it's gonna be hard to find now, but we got a lot of Kamen Riders here. That's really cool to complete. Oh, look at those Kamen Riders. That's pretty cool. I love it, man. I wish I can find all of them, but sometimes it's really hard to look or find them if you really know how the English word or the keywords to find these toys. So I just still hoping that I get, the other color variation like other characters, right? The red and the silver one. So this one is really cool. So we got this, and I think this is like a warranty card, 2006. Okay, and this is the manual, GD-96. Do you have a great idea here, like you just like wearing an armor, so you can just put it in, and voila, you got the Shaider action figure. Okay, let's take it out. Okay, of course, there's some masking tape here. Okay. Get out. Look at that. So it's like quite funny now because they have the small head. Okay, so where do we start? Maybe from the sword. It's pretty cool laser sword. So got another sword here. That was really nice. So same. Some pistol here. This gun blaster is really cool. There's the details, right? So tiny, but still they still make the details really clear. And we start from the legs. So there you go. This is the diecast part. Okay. It's like the armor thing. After this, pretty, pretty straightforward. Actually, you don't need the manual on this one. Okay, let's. There you go. It's really nice. So this armor is all die cast, right? Let's make it really cool. Yeah, so you just need to know which one is the left side and which one is on the right side. But overall, this one is pretty straightforward to put. Okay, so going up. Okay, got like the body armor, the torso part. Nice. There's the weight here, but it's a die cast. Okay. How can we take it out? There you go. Nice. If you want to open it, as you can see, there's like a hinge here, right? Yeah. And the arms. Nice. So if you watch my mail day or haul from Japan, this is one of that. So yeah, let's try to make a review one. It's one of the toys that I get from that box. So this is for the arms and for the shoulder, of course. Okay, shoulder. So I think still diecast here. And we got the helmet. Oh yes, this is the coolest part. So this one looks like plastic. It was kind of lightweight and the color is a little bit different. Okay, so there you go. The body parts. Yes, here we go. This one is pretty cool. The head is still there, but really nice sculpture. I guess really looks like the guy from the show. So this one. The articulations. There's a lot of articulations going on here. It's pretty tight. Only this one's kind of loose, but still tight enough. Like that. Okay. There you go. Across the head. You cannot split the legs. Okay, it's nice. Okay, so let's build it. Let's go. Okay, there you go, my bossing. It's pretty cool. Shaider. That's really cool. I love it. That's so nice. And the fact that it have diecast armors, right? That's really make it really cool. So, okay. Time for
entombed in my mind, can't seem to break away. Lost in time, thinking about better days.